Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. This is AI Dev Rush. If you're joining us for the first time, we talk about everything related to AI and development. In today's video, we're going to be building a full stack SaaS application using Google AI Studio. So I'm going to go to my Google AI Studio and I'm going to paste this prompt. So I'm going to create an app that helps generate personalized workout plan based on users' goal. So, and it must have community features and progress tracking. It's going to be a SaaS solution, a SaaS app. So I'm going to tell it that I want database and auth application that's the sign in and sign up, so that it will look like a full-fledged SaaS application. So once I'm done with my basic prompt, I'm going to use this basic prompt first. I'll just click on build. So once I click on build, I'll wait for it will start showing me some tips. So Google AI Studio just showed me some designs that I can choose from. So I will pick from this one. So this is the first design. I'll look at it. So this is the second design. Look at it. The third design. And then this is the fourth design. If there's any one that you like, you just click on select the design. So I'm going to look at it again quickly this time around to see the one I want. I think I prefer the first one and the last one. There's one I saw just now, so it's not bad. I think I'll pick the last one, the last design. So the choice is yours. Whichever one you like, you pick. So I'm just going to click on select the design. And then here, since I said we are using a database, I'll just enable the database, which is Firebase. The database is using is Firebase. So I'll click on enable database, Firebase. So what it's going to do is to create Firebase for me with this my Google account. So once it's done creating this Firebase, it will just continue. And then it will design the full SaaS application with database, authentication, and all the good stuff. So I'm just going to wait for some minutes, and then my full SaaS application will be done. Our SaaS is fully generated. This is all that we have for our landing page. I think I will have to ask it to add more things to the landing page. So we're going to sign in with Google. Of course, the auth was done with Firebase, so it's going to be Google based. So this is the dashboard. So I'm going to ask for plan. So it's going to say primary goal. I'll say lose weight. And then how many days in a week do I want to be working on my weight loss? So am I an experienced, beginner, intermediate, or advanced? I'll just leave it as beginner, and then I will generate my routine. So it's going to be using artificial intelligence to generate the routine. When we are done with this, you can actually make it add things like, let's see, it's not generating. So it's not generating. Well, I can see here that they said there are 3 errors. So I'm going to just click on fix. Things like this happen all the time. So I'll click on fix, and then I'll wait for it to fix it. Then I'll try again. After fixing the error, I'm going to create the plan now, create the routine. So I'll just click on generate routine, and then wait for it to generate the routine. Okay, so now I send beginner weight loss. So it has generated the routine for us. So it has generated what you should do: full body strength, endurance exercise, said body weight squat, push up, walking, lunge, planks, jumps, jumping jack. So because I said I wanted to give me a plan for 3 days, so it's not telling me the things it wants me to do per day. But I would have loved to have like a place where I can mark my progress. So I'm just going to so I'm just going to say add a feature to log workout session. This should include the field of duration, notes, and completion timestamp, allowing users to track their progress against their workout plan. So I'll just click on go, and then I'll wait for it to add those features to it. So that way you can keep adding features that you think are necessary. You can also you can even add the like videos of those exercise. Like you can make it generate videos of those exercises, but for you to generate those videos you must be on the paid plan. So it has added the log session UI. So there is not a log session put in next to the current one, this which is this, and then you can now data tracking, and it's also synced to your Firestore, which is the Firebase for AI. So let's check it out. So I can see for 60 minutes I did push up. Though that I did push up, and then I'll say I'm saving the session. So I have it as the saved sessions of things I've done. So total sessions is 1. And I would have loved to add a place where I can view all the sessions that I've done. And then I could also make it like all the things that I should list them, and then I could tick what I did. You understand? So, you can do as much as you want. You can ask it to do so many other things. It's just what's the ideas that you have in your head that you keep giving it as prompts, and it keeps prompting it. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you.